Yo guys, um, uh, my webcam, my camera just died, so yeah, I'm gonna turn it off now. So, what, what should we do? Boiled. Oh yeah, um, so, I've only got one monitor now. I don't use my second one. That one's not on since I've got the laptop. I use that one for my laptop. So, yeah, um, so, I don't know what to do. Um, there's like 8:37 and I've got to go to school really quick. So yeah, I just wanted to say morning look forward to it after school. There's no harm in it. I'm just literally just doing school and and yeah. Um, yeah. I know what to do. Um, and I can't. Yeah, yeah. I was gonna yeah, turn off my Xbox. But I was gonna find the spot. I can put spot. Yeah, but yeah. So yeah, so that bites.